Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve market research with SurveyMonkey, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the SurveyMonkey website at www.surveymonkey.com. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once logged in, click on the Create Survey button to start a new project. You will see options for different types of surveys. Choose the option that best suits your market research needs. You can select from a template or start with a blank survey. If you choose a template, browse through the categories available to find one that fits your goals. After selecting a template, click Use Template to start editing. Next, customize your survey title to reflect your research topic. Begin adding your questions by clicking on Add Question. You can select from various question types such as multiple choice, open-ended, or rating scales. Consider your target audience when drafting questions to ensure clarity and relevance. Keep your questions concise to maintain respondent engagement. Use logic jumps if necessary to direct respondents based on their answers. This feature helps to create a tailored survey experience. Once you've added all your questions, preview your survey to check for any issues. Make adjustments as needed to improve the flow and clarity. When you are satisfied with the survey, click on the Collect Responses button. Here, you will choose how to distribute your survey. SurveyMonkey offers various options like email, social media, or a web link. Select the method that will best reach your target audience. If using email, you can import contacts directly from your mailing list. After setting up your distribution method, finalize and launch your survey. Monitor responses in real time through the Analyze Results section. Use the analytics tools available to filter, segment, and interpret the data. This data will provide insights into your market research goals. Identify trends and key points that can guide your business decisions. Conduct follow-up surveys if necessary to gather additional feedback. Finally, share your findings with stakeholders to facilitate informed decision-making. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.